AI is not going to take your jobs away. But the people who use AI are the people who are going to take your jobs away. I'm sure you've heard that statement a couple of times, especially in the new era of artificial intelligence. But the question is, how do you keep track of every AI tool that comes out in order for you to stay updated, to use AI for your daily activities, or as an entrepreneur, to use AI to grow your business, or even as a career person, you're just using artificial intelligence for your daily tasks? The question is, how do you stay up to date? And it can be pretty stressful, of course, when it comes to the lots and lots of AI tools available to our needs. But of course, I give you the full gist. On this channel, we're all about using technology to make your life easier and make you some money. So, in this playlist, I'm going to be showing you a single AI tool you can use to get access to all AI tools available. Now, for this particular tool, it's an amazing tool that you probably might have heard of before, or you might not have heard about it. So I'm going to be making a couple of videos showing you practical ways to utilize this tool to solve your AI problems. Like whether you are someone who uses artificial intelligence on a daily basis, or you are someone who just is interested in artificial intelligence and wants to learn how you can utilize it for productivity. Because of course, what is technology if it's not to help make your life easier and better? My name is Richard Chuku, and if you're just tuning in, I need you to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also, if you get value from the video, drop a comment in the comment section. Let's get right into it. Alright, so very simple. All you need to do is to go to a website tagged there's an AI for that.com. You're gonna see it, the link is in the description. There's an AI for that.com and you tap enter. So it should direct you to normal verify you're a human, complete the action. I need to do is to check the box and it takes you straight up to the website. But you want to create an account just like you usually create an account for your normal AI tools like ChatGPT and the likes. So if you are just getting on board for the first time, you want to sign up. Of course, you can sign in with Google. So I'll decide to do that so that it doesn't take so much of my time. So I click on sign in with Google. If you already have a Google account logged in, that will be pretty straightforward for you. But if you don't have your Google account logged in, you have to, log in your Google account to your preferred browser that you are using. So in this case, I already have my Google account logged in. And all I need to do is to just go straight to the website. There is an AI for that.com. And yeah, so doing the normal verification process, I verify, it opens up the website. And yeah, so you can see I'm already logged in because I have an account. If you don't have an account, just go through the step I already mentioned. You have to sign up with your Google account, your email, or if you don't have your email signed in your browser, you have to sign in. So yeah, so a brief background about this tool is that now you can see it stated there's an AI for that 31,331 AI tools for 15,970 tasks and 4,986 jobs. So basically, the entire website is built to integrate all kinds of AI for different tasks in a single platform. It's pretty amazing because I'm going to be showing you practical ways which that can be done, and it's pretty amazing because it's a free tool, at least for now. It's actually quite free, and yeah, you see there's a free mode, there's 100% free mode, there's a freemium, and there's free trial. You can explore that with time. But the essence of this video is to basically show you how it works and what you can do with it. So let's get right into it. So yeah, again, there's an AI for that, for short, TAAFT, basically an abbreviation for there's an AI for that. With this particular tool, you can get access to models like ChatGPT, Claude AI, and a lot of other models that you don't even know exist before. So instead of trying to figure out, okay, what's the perfect AI tool for a particular task you want to do, or what's the latest AI model, you can simply use this one tool to get access to different AI models for your different projects. So yeah, so if you just sign up for the first time, because I'm already logged in, right? I already have an account. But if you just sign up for the first time, you'll be asked to create some recommendations. Now you see something called complete setup. So you want to click on this. The reason why you want to click on this is because you want to be able to set. It's just like, the way AI works is that it works based on your preferences. You are the one in charge. The AI is not in charge. So you want to tell the AI exactly how you want it to serve you. So you can decide to watch tutorial to understand, you know, Now it says before we begin, we need to know which tax you are interested in. Select all the tax that apply to you. Yeah, so like I explained, the essence of this is to enable the AI understand the various tasks you want to use in AI for. Because like I already said during the intro, the essence of technology is to help you save time and actually make you money if that is what you want to use it for. So this is like you telling the AI that this is what I want to use it for. So if you're a web developer, you're a business owner, you are a coach, a trainer, whatever it is that you do, you basically want to assign different tasks. It's just like the way AI agents work. You know the whole trend about around AI agents. So you're creating agents specifically for a particular purpose. But in this case, you're having all your AI agents in a single pipeline, which is pretty amazing. So let's go into it. So you'll be asked select tasks you're interested in. Are you interested in ChatGPT prompts? You can mark as many as you want to. This is just like a brief tutorial. So let's click on next. It's also tell you another tutorial again, telling you how to set up your For You page. Now let's start. So if you open up this page, this is what you should see. You would see let's set up For You page. Now this is what you see select all the tasks that are relevant to you. We'll only show you AI tools for the tasks you selected. Yeah, also pretty amazing. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see lots and lots of tasks you can do, have access to. As crazy as you can even see things like bikini images. Well, right. So, um, if you don't want to go through the route of trying to scroll down and look for exactly the task that you want to use the AI for, you can also just click on the search button. Maybe I'm interested in wealth, for instance. That's how I want to use AI. I can see things like wealth advice, subcategories of wealth advice. We see personal finance advisement, investment advice, life insurance advice. Of course, I wouldn't advise you to use AI for investment advice, but you can use it to guide some decisions based on news and all that. So you want to get access to platforms that have blogs and websites that have wealth advice. This is something you need to check. Right. So we have wealth simulation, songwriting assistance. Just I'm just going for the purpose of this tutorial. I will just be picking some random stuff to show you how it works. So let's say you are in the health niche. I can click on health advice, health coaching, health science research. And as usual, each of those tasks have a sub task, right? Related task under them. So for health science research, you can see academic research, medical research. So like I explained, this basically has 1,001 task that you can really use AI for. The whole essence of this channel is to show you the whole gist. So if you have watched to this point, I want you to do well to like the video, drop a comment, and hit the subscribe button so that this video can be recommended to more people to get access to this amazing tool. Yeah. So let's continue. If you're into tech, we have tech insights, we have tech career mentoring, we have tech interview preparations, tech advice, tech guidance, whatever kind of tech task you want to do. There's even technical drawings, technical specifications. Yeah, what other niche again can we try? Okay, see design. Yes, we want to look at design. Under design, you have logo design, swimsuit designs. So let's say you're a graphic designer, you have access to logo design, logo idea generation, app logo design, simple design advice. So again, the essence of this is to basically tell the platform how exactly you want to. If you take a look at this part, you will see tasks selected 16 out of 15,970. So you have access to about 15,970 tasks across different niches. So I can literally call this the only AI tool you need for any niche, right? So that's how it works. You have access to different. So what we want to do next is we want to save the preference. Click on save preference. Now it brings up a pop-up menu and it says choose the frequency that works for you. That's if you want to sign up for you digest. For you digest is like their email marketing system where they can send you emails. So for now, let me just save this. And I love the interface because it's pretty easy to use. If you are on desktop mode, this is how it should look like. But on mobile, it's actually the same thing too. I don't want to turn on notifications, so let me just block that. So waiting for approval, and once we're done with that, it says welcome to the For You page. Every time a new AI tool appears for one of the tasks you follow, it will show up here. Now that's amazing. The reason it's amazing is because once you've set up your recommendations or your preferences among the tasks you want to use AI for, what happens is that you are telling this software to give you updates on the AI that suits your particular task. So let's say, for instance, one of the tasks that we selected was tech research. So anytime there is a specialized tool or an AI that is related to tech research, automatically I get notified on my email that I used to register that this particular tool is available for me to get access to and use. So it saves you a lot of time in trying to research on the best AI tool for maybe you're a video editor, whatever it is you do. It saves you the time of trying to search for the best AI tool, and it just accumulates every single tool in a single software. So maybe probably you already have an AI you are interested in that you really want to explore, maybe ChatGPT, for instance, right? I can search for it. If you are someone who already has, it knows exactly what you want to, the AI tool you want to use, you can search for it, and then you see ChatGPT, ChatGPT on Mac, ChatGPT for website, ChatGPT for website, ChatGPT for WhatsApp, different kinds. If I click on ChatGPT, for instance, it takes me to. It says there are 125 AIs for ChatGPT. I can decide if I want to use it for agents, for iOS, Android, Chrome, whatever it is I want to use it for. Now, it's like I said, this tool is a pretty vast tool that you can use for so many functions, so many tools. I don't think the scope of this video will be enough to exhaust everything, but I'll probably create a playlist where I will explore different ways you can utilize this tool to make money, make your work, make your task easy, applies to basically every single aspect of your daily activity, and it's pretty amazing, right? And if you look, you'll see number one website for AI tools used by 50 million plus humans. That's kind of like marketing for them, but it's pretty true, and it works so far so good. And you can generate images too, just the way you have the ability to generate images on ChatGPT and Claude AI and other amazing AI platforms. So let me know, just something random. Let's see how it performs. Okay, now it gives me different wallpapers, amazing wallpapers. And the reason why I love those platforms so much is that you have a range of options to choose from, right? It's pretty amazing. So it says, what style or elements would you like to include in your gold wallpaper design? Now, I can use it to create wallpaper designs. I can decide to give various colors. So let's keep exploring. The next thing I want to, for this particular video, just basically to show us the interface and how everything around the platform works. On a particular another video, I'm going to go in depth into specifics, and I think I'll put all that in a playlist to give us more insights to this particular tool. Okay. Yeah. So moving forward, we have what we call trending tools. Now, the whole idea of trending tools is that you can literally get access to AI tools that are trending. For instance, you have the likes of Claude, ChatGPT, DeepSeek. But now, AI tools for specific tasks. If you scroll down, you will see free pick AI image generator. You want to try this. This particular one helps you generate designs. Maybe you want to generate designs for your thumbnail. You want to generate designs for basically any kind of design. You can explore that. Maybe in a separate video, I will explore each of these individually. You want to create an AI course. It gives you this is a tool you can use to create an AI course, interpret AI. Okay, I don't think I've heard about this one before, but you can basically explore. If you want to explore it, it opens up and you explore what it looks like. All right, so now it takes me here and it says every conversation perfectly captured, elevate your communication with. Okay, this is basically a tool that helps you with transcribing um, your audio to text. Right, there are so many AI tools for that. And I love this so much. You can maybe probably you have access to a new AI tool. I want to figure out, oh, is this actually featured on there's an AI for that? It's actually stated here. So going back to it, you see there are so many other AI tools, PDF Gen, cool coloring pages. So this gives you access to trending, and if you take notes of the numbers, you will know how these AI tools are ranking based on the number of individuals that use the tools. So you see number 6, number 7, number 8, 9, 10. So gives me top 10. If I want to scroll down to get access to top 50 AI tools that are currently trending that people are using, I can do that. So for now, currently this is number 1, and it's regularly updated. So maybe if you log into the website by tomorrow or next tomorrow, you would see that it's been updated based on how people are using the tool. So it ranks based on usage. And that's amazing because the more people are using a particular tool, it means that that tool is actually valuable. And this is one way you can figure out what are AI tools that are valuable that a lot of people are using. Now, one way you can actually also utilize this for your daily activities, apart from using the AI tools, it can give you insights to what kind of AI tools are people using. Now, if you are a tech content creator, for instance, or you are a basically a content creator that creates content on random topics, right? You want to understand exactly what people are searching for, what problems people are facing, and the tools they are using to solve those problems, because that will give you insights on the kind of content you create for people to watch. So this can help you if you're a content creator. It can help you if you're a tech savvy person. That's why I said this is useful for you, whether you are tech savvy, whether you use AI or not. It's actually very useful to you, and I'm showing you exactly how it is useful to you. So now let's explore one more thing before we end this video here, and probably in another video I explore more things about this particular software. Although personally, you can actually also on your own free time explore the software and figure out how it works. So if you are still watching to this time, I need you to hit that subscribe button and like the video so that more people can actually see this amazing content. And also drop a comment in the comment section if you found this very helpful. Now let's have a look at characters. Now for characters, many of us know what we call avatars, right? So if you want to create like a special AI avatar for yourself that explains, your attributes, your characteristics, you can actually do that here using the plus button. Click on add character. If you click on add character, you see things like generate image, name, title, gender. Now you can literally personalize your own avatar in such a way that you are going to be using this across various platforms. Maybe you are someone who prefers to use an avatar online. You can use this tool to create that. Okay, so yeah, that's for avatar creation. So, like I explained, this is pretty useful, very, very amazing. And one more thing I'm going to show you again in the next video that you don't want to miss. So, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, and like the video. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can specifically use this AI to create an AI agent for a task. I'm going to take one particular task. For instance, maybe you want to create an AI agent that will help you in your job search. You're a job seeker. I'm going to show you exactly how you can create that specific AI agent and utilize it for all your job seeking needs. Now, this is exciting and amazing for you because ChatGPT normally is trained on large data sets. But the whole idea of AI agents is that you want to personally create an AI specifically for a task you want to do. So, like I said, for instance, job searching. So, I want to create an AI tool exactly for job searching purposes, and I don't want any other person to use the AI tool. I just want to be my personalized assistant when job searching, and it can be able to scrape the internet for the kind of jobs I'm looking for, give it my requirements and everything that I need to get a job.